Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are all fine in your home. Again, today I am here with fraction topics. As we have already done two topics on fractions. What is fraction? Types of fraction. Unlike fraction is converted into like fraction. Improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction, and mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction, as we have already done in two videos. Now today we will do addition of a fraction, subtraction of a fraction, multiplication of a fraction, division of a fraction. Okay student, so we will start addition of a fraction. Okay, now see here, fraction is given 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5 plus 1. Here only numerator is given, denominator is not given, so we will make it 1 by 1. Now it becomes fraction. Okay, now it becomes fraction. Now we have to solve it. Here what we see in denominators, all the denominators are different. So first step what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of denominator. Okay, that is 2 and 5. So the LCM of 2 and 5 will be 10. Okay, 10. Now what we have to do, we have to convert all denominators equal to LCM. Okay, now for this what we have to do, we have to divide 10 by denominator. Okay, so LCM is divided by denominator. When we will divide 10 by 2, we will get quotient 5. So we will multiply with 5 numerator and denominator. Okay, now second, 4 by 5. Again here when you will divide 10 by 5, you will get 2 as a quotient. So multiply numerator and denominator. Now in 1 upon 1, while dividing 10 by 1, we will get 10. So multiply with 10 into 10. Now see, 5 upon 10 plus 8 upon 10 so 10 upon 10. Okay student, now we got all the denominators equal to LCM. Now what we have to do, we have to simply, now what do you see over here, see all the denominators are equal. In numerator, whatever the numerator is given, you just write down and add it, nothing more than that you have to do. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, write 5 plus 8 plus 10. Okay, and then whatever is denominator, you write denominator. Okay, now add it, 13 plus 10, 23 upon 10. Now this is improper fraction. Now improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. Okay, as we have discussed in video 2, you can see it. Okay, now divide 23 by 10, you will get 2 as a whole number, 10, 20, and the numerator will be 3. This is our answer. Like this we used to solve the fraction. Okay, in addition. Okay, now if the denominator is different, first take the LCM. Okay, then you convert all fraction into like fraction. Okay student, now see second is 2 3 by 4. Okay, 2 3 by 4, 4 3 by 5, 1 1 by 2. How to do it, see over here. First what we see, all the fractions are in mixed fraction. All the fractions are mixed fraction. First we have to convert this all fraction into improper fraction. Okay, now how to convert it, 4 multiplied by, now 2 3 by, step by step I am showing you how to do it. Okay, now this fraction is written like this, 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Okay, now second is 4 3 by 5. Same here, 4 multiplied by 5 plus 3 upon 5, 20 plus 3, 23 upon 5. Now 1 by 2, same here, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2, 2 1, 3 upon 2. Now we will write this fraction, okay, in place of this fraction, okay. Now see here, 2 3 by 4 will be written as 11 by 4, plus in this fraction you will write 23 upon 5, plus in this fraction we will write 3 by 2. Now what we see here, all the denominators are different, so we have to take the LCM, okay. LCM of 2 4 and 5, okay. Now take the LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 5 is not divisible by 2, so we will write as it is, okay. Now see, and no common factor is over here with whom we can divide it. So what we have to do now, you leave it and multiply all the product, okay, multiply all the product. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, 10 to the 20, so our LCM came 20. Now what we have to do, we have to convert all the fraction into like fraction, okay student. Now see here, 11 upon 4, divide 20 by 4, we get 5 as quotient, multiply numerator and denominator. Now 23 upon 5, again 20, divide with 5, you will get 4 as a quotient, right here, plus 3 by 2, multiply with 20 divided by 2, you get 10 as quotient, multiply numerator and denominator, okay. Now see here, 55 upon 20, 92 upon 20, plus 30 upon 20. Now what we see, we get a common denominator 20, and in numerator whatever is written you just write it and add it, okay. 55 plus 92 plus 30 upon 20, okay. Now add it, 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 5 17 upon 20, okay. We get 177 upon 20. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction, okay student. While dividing 177 by 20, how much you will get? See here, 8 times 160 and 17, so 8 17 by 20 is our answer. Like this we used to do, okay student. Mixed fraction is given, first you convert it into improper fraction, okay. Second step, take the LCM of denominator if the denominator is different. Then what we have to do, we have to convert all fraction into like fraction, and then you solve it, okay student. Now we will do subtraction, okay, subtraction of a fraction. Now see here, it is written 4 minus 2 1 by 5, okay. So first we have to make 4 as a fraction. Now how we will make, see here, 4 upon 1 minus, now here it is mixed fraction, so we will convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5, okay. Now see here, now we will use over here, first we can take the LCM of 1 and 5, the LCM will be 5, okay. So here, right here, LCM equal to 5, okay. Now we have to convert all the fraction into like fraction. How you will convert, see here, 4 upon 1, when you will divide 5 by 1, you will get 5, multiply numerator and denominator by 5, minus 11 upon 5. Here already denominator is 5, so we don't have to do anything. Okay, now write here 20 upon 5 minus 11 upon 5. Now we have got the common denominator, so what we have to do, just whatever is written in numerator you write and subtract it. Okay, now 9 upon 5. Now we can convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, 5 ones are 5 and 4. This is our answer. Like this we used to do in subtraction. Okay student, understand? Just you have to practice it. Okay, take the examples from your book, do the exercise. Okay, then only you will understand how to solve it. See all this rule how I have done. See once or twice you see the video, then you will understand it, then you can do it properly. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day.